Hello guys, my name is Vilato. This is the Tuna Cubs. First of all, let me greet my parents there. Hello mommy, hello daddy, Pastor D. Share. Let's talk about the DOZ convention. It is said a perfect man does not cheat, does not flirt, does not lie, does not beat his wife, and does not exist. The same with a perfect woman. You see, perfection is all about phantasmagoria. It's all about fairy tale. You see, my badness and my goodness, when you merge them together, that's what makes me me. Let's enjoy my emotions. We have the emotions of pride, you have the emotion of love, you have the emotion of anxiety, you have the emotion of fear. All those make me. And as we enjoy me, it's like a roller coaster. So come to DOZ and get information about enjoying yourself and your spouse. Next, let's write a letter to the youth, to whoever it may concern. A letter to the youth. P.O. Box. #* Nairobi. Reference to the youth of Nairobi. Pokeeni salamu nyingi mithili ya maji ya bahari kutoka kwangu. Ni mzima kama kigogo na imara kama chuma cha pua. Ni mzima pia kama ngalange za mbule. It's always hard to speak the truth, because if you speak the truth, those people that you love them, or those people that love you, they will leave you, or the things that they used to supply, they will refuse to supply them back. You see, I hope I'm speaking or I'm writing this letter to the youth who are tired, youth who are fed up, because those people who are tired, those people who are fed up, are the people who can make a difference or make a change in this world. Back at school, Honorable Babu Owino was asked by a reporter, what is the source of your wealth? Here's what he told them. You mean, or you want to mean that a youth should not be smart? You mean that a youth should not have money? You mean a youth should not be intelligent? You mean a youth should parara? Come on. This goes to the youth of this country. You see, youth, when you start to do something, they will ignore you first. As you start growing, they will laugh at you. As you start picking up or shooting, they will fight you, and that's what you do. Once a devil told me, you will not make through the storm. Go tell that devil, I'm the storm. They threw me to the wolves. Guess what? I came back as their leader. You see, the kingdom suffers violently, and we take it by force. You see, they refuse to give you a visa, buy an airport. It's our generation. Forget about being employed. Employ people. Know what you are good at and employ people. You see, you may say that it's arrogance. It's what I call confidence. Confidence is when you know you're not greater than anyone, and when you know that you're not lesser than anyone. You see, there's a difference between being stupid and being humble. Be humble, but don't be stupid. Because you are a boss somewhere, now you want everyone to suffer. Because you came somewhere first, you want everyone to suffer. Come on. Because you worked hard, you are spreading miseries. You want everyone to work hard as you. It's not about working hard. It's all about working smart. You see, you are brutal. Now you want to make everyone suffer. You see, a pencil when it is sharp, it works more effective and more efficient. Less time and less energy. You worked hard because you are a hardware. There is software, there is vaporware, and there is subtleware. You are in those days of tabernacles. We came to books, we came to CDs, and we came to chips. Improvement. Things that took you 10 years, we are doing them by one day. And when we do it good, you start fighting us. Let me tell you something. Good luck with fighting us. It's not all about competition. It's all about cooperation. You see, competition comes from insecurity. Insecurity breeds challenges. Challenges brings catastrophe. Catastrophe brings calamity. Come on, sharpen your skills. You see, a fish in the pond is always proud. It is always proud. Oh, I'm the only fish in this pond. The pond itself has no inlet and has no outlet. That pond is full of mosquitoes. It has bacteria, it has germs and diseases. It's always full of politics. Politics is who gets what, when, and why. Fish in the ocean, they're always humble because they have seen big things in the ocean. They have seen the seals, they have seen the dolphins, they have seen the shark, they have seen the whales. They know what is there out. You are here, you're fighting us. Come on. If you know what is possible, you will never settle for what is available. You see, money is just a part of wealth. Wealth is all about properties. There is money, there is health, there's friendship, there is love, there are nice things. It's not about money. People are so poor. The only thing that they can afford is money. Come on. Money is just a small thing. We are body parts of one body of the Lord. You see, some are hands, some are legs, some are the stomach, some are the belly. You see, when the hand gets a wound, the mind is not happy, the stomach is not happy, the leg, it is not happy. You see, when the legs decide today we are not going to work, the brain says that you're not going to think. and the belly says that I'm not going to digest, or the heart says I'm not going to pump the blood, we will all suffer. You see, we are brothers and sisters. Come on, let's work together. It's all about being together. We are one, let's work together. Shalom. Signing, Pilato. Bye bye. PS. Pilato.